So what's going on, guys? It's me, Hockey Lover, 1903, back again with Five Nights at Candy's Remastered. So in the last video, we beat Night 3 and Night 4, and somewhere in Night 4, my recording stopped for some strange reason, but at 5 a.m., I don't know how to say his name, but he broke the front window, and I just won before he, like, well, scratching that, let's get to the 5th night. Okay.
What are you doing? Someone's drinking your drink.
Did you have some? Did you like it? Want some more?
Bev leaves this week.
Oh, she's here.
What'd you get me?
No, it's gluten free.
I'll let Diane know. She'll probably eat it in 2 seconds.
What's wrong?
You want some sip?
Look at the baby out there.
Hey, I like your shoes.
What's this?
It's a minion. It's a minion. Is that Fred?
Bob and Kevin?
You can use his bag.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I love it. She already has one open on the fridge. She was drinking on the.
Squeeze it. Let's check it out. You don't want to drink when I come to you. Found that out with you. You were on the phone with the drink, and all of a sudden I got all this hot air.
Damn.
Come here.
Don't scare me. Thank you. That sucks. That guy. So, that happened. And, like, right before, when it blacked out, it reached 6. Two new messages. Hey, look at that.
Oh, that's higher than
Well, it would be good if I have a 7-foot fence over there. Continue the fence and then put your stand between the house and the fence. Over there, about 5 feet. 2 foot fence blocks off the fence. 3 feet wide.
No, sure. For me.
Oh, no.
No, but I mean, really, that. You could just have a couple rows of bricks to the end. I don't think that's it. I can't believe you're selling it for $7 a dozen. Corn. It was like $4 last year, and all of a sudden it's $7.
Thank you. Okay. Boom. Bam. Bop. What about boom? Pow.
Where'd you get the shoes at?
Mom's group on Facebook for $2. They were dirty as anything. I just once I was an power washer being green.
First time I've ever seen that.
And at night, eyes glow in the dark.
Okay, that was kind of dramatic. Hey, that's funny.
Nicola, did you have the biggest
What do you mean? Well, my dad said I had a big enough pool. Man, can I go have a big enough pool? Yeah.
Did you have it?
Well, every time you left, she said, yeah. She said, bye, see you later. And I'm like, really? Oh.
Did I tell you they promoted her? Daycare? Her grade? Pulling her up, she's the youngest, and father her, they're putting her in the pre-K room. That was the room here. All the kids are looking at her, but she goes, she knows how to talk. Take a book. I'm not sure what it is. She says, book. So they want her to go with kids that are older, so that she can work on these questions that actually speak. Right now, what she's doing in her other room, all the kids are looking up to her, but then all the kids are going baby gaga.
Nope.
Gaga, gaga. And she's doing the gaga, gaga, gaga. But then when you ask her to say words, she says. They're hoping that they put her in the accelerator or the older room for her power.
Where's the ball? Where's the ball?
Where's Jackson? Did you hear that when I walked in the house?
What?
What are you making for dinner?
What have you been doing all day? What are you making for dinner? So I said to her,
No. I can't. Oh, great. Just what I wanted. There we go. There we go.
Put it away. Occupier in the car or something.
Oh, great. So you're gone now. Now you're gone. 4 a.m. guys, we can do this.
So I thought, well,
Oh,
apparently she had a little girl. Well, I mean, honestly, when I was gone, I put right over there. Yeah, well, I mean, I wouldn't have walked well.
They both have it over here. They both have one.
come on, 5 a.m.
I mean, two kids, all of them are $200 a week.
yeah, but he's got an we can pay bills and stuff to pay it off. And then grab her and make her most of it. $529.9.
Yes!
You know what?
Record? What? Usually it's feed.
Yeah, but I can't. I'm not physically set right now. Is that Jackson? Okay, boys are out tonight. What's your name, Mark?
Hi.
Say what was that?
Oh, really? Cool. Here you go. Go see that. It's a game.
Yeah, Jackson and I went in there. Oh my gosh. What's wrong?
Sorry about that, guys. That's my cousin. Anyways,
Come here, sweetie.
that's all the time I got for today.
Nobody's mad at you. Come on. Come on, Sheila. Look, you know what?
I'll see you in the next video. Okay, guys? Bye.